So I wrote a new book. It's a book about anti-gravity. It's almost impossible to put down, and you can see it's like a feather, and it's called The Anti-Gravity Personality by Joe King. Happy birthday, Junie. 2022. June 21st, 2022, Grindelwald, Switzerland, from Mike, Caroline, and MC. And it's actually a little bit like a spy novel too, because when you get it undercover, this it has some amazing properties. You can float it. It's like floats by itself almost. The amazing floating book. There you go. Ta-da, ta-da. Oh, I forgot to read the first page to you. Once upon a time, there was a guy that laid in front of the door whose name was Matt. He had a mate that liked to float up and down in the river. That was Bob. They both looked up to a guy that would just lean on walls all the time. He was called Art. They owed money to a girl with no name. They set her on fire and called her Bernadette. And that's how Joe King came to know everything about politics, also known as Baffle 'em with BS. The beginning.